Hi. I just thought I'd take a minute to talk to y'all about this whole shithole thing going on in excuse me. Phew. Anywho, this whole shithole thing. I don't know what people are telling you or what you're hearing in the news, but if there's one thing I can tell you for sure, it's that this whole shithole thing is a whole bunch of shitholian shitholertonsons. I can tell you that for sure. Nobody's playing around with a shithole. If you know what I mean. Nobody likes a shithole. I mean, come on. Shithole. Sorry, I don't know what I have eaten today. I'll tell you, it's really upset my innards a little bit there. I think I buttered my shorts. I definitely buttered my shorts. We'll be back.